Your brand new Greenstell garment rack has just arrived. Now it's time to put it together. Your new garment rack comes complete with easy installation instructions. It's always a great idea to lay out all of the pieces from your product to ensure you have everything you need before assembly. Step number 1 is to lock the bar in place at the wheelbase. You're going to repeat this step for both sides of the garment rack. Once the bottom bars on each side are locked in place, you're going to insert the pipes to create the bottom of the garment rack. Next, you're going to insert the pipes, creating the upright part of the garment rack. You'll repeat this step on both sides as well. Next, we will take the clothing hanging bar and connect the two pipes. Now we will connect the clothing bar to the upright pipes. Repeat this step on both sides. Now it's time to connect the extra clothing hangers using the tools provided. Now that your new Greenstell garment rack is mostly assembled, we can add the clear PVC cover. Secure the cover to the bottom of the rack by tying as shown here. Your new Greenstell garment rack offers locking wheels for movement and stability. Enjoy the quality and versatility of your new Greenstell garment rack.